Hi Cricketers, it's Carrie here with another helpful Cricut business video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free, that's right, free shipping supplies sent right to your doorstep. You're probably thinking that it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. Hi Cricketers! Please subscribe to our channel for project ideas, tutorials, business tips, and more. One of the questions that I get asked most frequently is, how do you ship your products? Well, it's really quite simple. You stick your product inside of a box or an envelope, make sure it's protected with bubble wrap if it's fragile, address it, and send it on its way. But I bet you didn't know that you can get shipping supplies such as boxes and envelopes totally free, shipped right to your doorstep through the United States Postal Service. They give you the boxes and envelopes for free because they want you to pay for their shipping services through them. So once you place the product that you're selling inside of the box, you can then take it to the Postal Service and pay to ship it through them. You can also ship right from your home by printing out the labels at home. Next, I'm going to show you exactly where to go to get your free shipping supplies. Type in USPS.com. Then you can go to Shop and select Shipping Supplies. Then on the left, there's a little tab right here that says Free Shipping Supplies. Check that box. Then everything you see from here on out is $0. This is all free stuff from the post office. There's 4 pages worth of free stuff, so we can select 48 results per page to make it a little easier to look at. So you can see they have the flat rate boxes in a variety pack. There's envelopes. There's envelopes in all different sizes, small envelopes, large envelopes, medium boxes, large boxes. They have the sizes of their boxes clearly listed right here, so you can see the dimensions. This helps you figure out which size box you'll need, so just measure the product that you want to ship and then select the box that best fits your needs. You can also get free stickers from the post office. There's free address labels. There's regular priority mail boxes, which are different than the flat rate boxes, so pay attention to what you're selecting. There's 2 options when it comes to their free shipping supplies: priority mail and priority flat rate mail. There is a difference between the two, so make sure you pay attention and read the descriptions. Let's start with priority mail because that's what I used most. Priority boxes are based on the weight and the distance that they're being shipped. So if you bring your filled box to the post office, they're going to put it on a scale, they're going to weigh it, they're going to type in your beginning destination and your ending destination, and that's how they're going to calculate the price that it's going to cost to ship it. So for this reason, it's a good idea to invest in your own postal scale that you can use at home. And the process is the same as what the worker at the post office is going to do. You're going to put your items inside the box, you're going to weigh it. The United States Postal Service has a calculator on their website where you can enter in the beginning destination, the ending destination, and the weight. This allows you to calculate the cost from home and print your own labels. You can print your labels with sticker paper or regular copy paper, but if you're using regular copy paper, you want to take some like thick, clear packing tape and just tape over the paper so it doesn't get ripped or wet, ruined. You want to keep your label protected. Now let's talk about the second option, flat rate boxes. If you're shipping something heavy, flat rate boxes are a great option. With flat rate boxes, you pay one flat rate fee regardless of the weight and the distance. The boxes do have a weight limit depending on which box you pick, so just read the description and pay attention to that. For example, the medium flat rate box has a 20-pound weight limit, which is still very heavy. If you're shipping something that's not heavy, like a stuffed animal, then priority would be better than flat rate. Usually it takes about 5 to 7 business days for the free shipping supplies to get delivered to your home. If you need to ship something right away and don't have time to wait for your free boxes to get delivered, you can actually go to your post office and they have free boxes and envelopes right in the store. At my post office, when I walked in, they were on a little table right on the left. There isn't as big of a selection as there is online, but there still is a good amount to choose from. And if you have any questions, you can always ask the friendly workers over at the post office. They are there and happy to help you. They also have padded flat rate envelopes. I really like their priority mail boxes like these. You can get a pack of 10 or a pack of 25 depending on how much you need. So if you select 25 times 2, you'll end up with 50 boxes. If you only want 10 boxes, just click a pack of 10, quantity of 1, add to cart. Let's say this is all I want to get, so we can go to checkout now. You have to have an account with the post office, so sign in with your username and password. Just as we would expect, our order summary is $0. Then you can click checkout now. And from there you enter in your mailing address. It's as easy as that. The last thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to calculate your shipping costs. The United States Postal Service has a page on their website with a calculator that allows you to determine your shipping costs. I mentioned that the post office allows you to print your labels from home so you can ship right from your house. This is called Click and Ship. They have a link right here on their main screen. If you go to Quick Tools, it's also right here, Click and Ship. This is what you need to print your labels. So you type your return address, the delivery address, the shipping date, and then the package details. So whether it's flat rate or shipping by the package weight, how much it's worth, and whether you want to ship it priority or priority mail express. I would usually just select priority mail. And then from there you continue. It'll print out a whole detailed label that you can print out and attach to your package. I hope this video helps you guys. I know that many of my followers are just starting their own Cricut businesses. They're trying to figure out how to ship things for as cheap as possible. I just want to say that I am so proud of you for taking the initiative to start your own small business. There's so much to learn, but I am here and I am happy to help teach you everything that I know, all the little tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. Keep doing what you're doing and believe in yourself because I believe in you. It sounds cliche, but anything is possible if you set your mind to it. It's the power of positive thinking and perseverance. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I appreciate everyone who subscribes and likes this video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm think that my channel is awesome and promote it to more and more people like you. If you need help learning more about how to start and run your own small business, check out some other videos on my channel. I have videos about how to send invoices through PayPal, how to send invoices through Square. I have a video about everything you need to know before starting a Cricut business, ways you can make more money, project ideas, bestsellers. There is so much free information on this channel. All you have to do is know where to find it.
Thanks for watching. Bye!